Today I am reviewing the Bosch 12V Max Planer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the design, the GHO12V-08N is very well balanced and ergonomically crafted. The planer's body is machined from a single block of aluminum, which not only gives it a sturdy build, but also ensures excellent balance and control during use. At just 3.3 pounds, it's light enough to handle comfortably for extended periods, reducing user fatigue. The compact size, measuring about 10 inches long, makes it perfect for tight spaces or detailed finish work. Powering the planer is an EC Brushless motor that spins the cutter at a fast 14,500 revolutions per minute. This motor technology offers professional-grade performance and efficiency, providing smooth, consistent stock removal. When working with hardwood, this planer can remove up to 33 feet of wood per amp-hour of battery, which is excellent runtime for a cordless tool in this category. The planing capacity is another strong point. The Bosch 12V Max Planer offers a single-pass planing depth of up to 0.08 inches, allowing you to take off substantial material in one go. Additionally, it can create rabbets up to 0.7 inches wide, which is great for door edges, framework, and other woodworking tasks. The 2.2-inch planing width covers most wood door edges and typical projects, giving you good versatility in your woodworking tasks. One of the advantages of a cordless planer like this is the freedom from cords and compressors, allowing you to move around the job site or workshop without restrictions. Of course, the GHO12V-08N comes as a bare tool, meaning it doesn't include batteries or a charger, so you'll need compatible Bosch 12V Max batteries to power it. The ergonomics of this planer really shine through in practical use. Because it's well balanced and lightweight, it's easy to maintain even pressure across the surface you're planing, resulting in a smooth and even finish. This is especially helpful for precise tasks like trimming doors or fine carpentry, where control is critical. Overall, the Bosch 12V Max Planer GHO12V-08N offers an excellent blend of power, precision, and portability. Its brushless motor and solid build quality make it a reliable choice for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. While it might not replace larger corded planers for heavy-duty or large-scale planing, it's perfect for quick jobs, touch-ups, and working in confined spaces. In summary, if you want a high-quality cordless planer that delivers professional results without the bulk of traditional models, the Bosch 12V Max Planer is a great investment. It combines ergonomic design, efficient power, and versatile capacity into a tool that's easy to handle and built to last.